How can anybody sleep like that?
I don't know.
And how long has Sleeping Beauty been out?
26 minutes. We're gonna start descending any second now.
Well, looks like we don't need to wake him up.
Southjet 227 Atlanta Center, descend and maintain flight level 300.
Descend and maintain flight level 300, subject 227. Whoa, whoa. What is that?
The elevator feels really stiff, sir.
All right, let's force it. All right, Margaret, get everybody strapped in. Get everybody strapped in tight.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Turn left hard, sir.
Power back, power back!
Hold up! Hold up!
Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts now. Fasten your seatbelts immediately now.
I have no control on my side. No control at all, sir.
Lost hydraulics. Center, this is southjet 227. We've lost our hydraulics and it feels like our pitch control.
Southjet 227 Atlanta,
That is affirmed. We are in an uncontrolled descent.
Southjet 227 Atlanta, say your intentions. Are you declaring emergency?
everybody's belted in. Are we going down?
Belted in with everybody in brace positions. Yes, that is affirmed. We are in a dive. We are in a dive. We have lost vertical control. We're gonna need drag. I want you to throw out everything you got. The speed brakes, the gear, everything.
Here, speed brake.
Brace position. Head down. Head forward. Head down. Head forward.
Gears down. I don't think hydraulics is the problem, sir.
We need to dump the fuel. Do it! Atlanta Center, this is southjet 227. We're in an uncontrolled dive descending out of 21,000 feet. We're declaring an emergency. We've dumped our fuel. We got a jam stabilizer or something. We need block about to work the problem and add it to the nearest airport.
Southjet 227, RCM tax there. West 12
Just do it. Do it 30 degrees.
Heading
315. We'll try our best.
I can't reach it, sir.
No, stay strapped in. Stay strapped in. Margaret! Margaret!
We're out of 15,000.
All right, just relax. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Get strapped into the jump seat there. I need you to do something for me.
We're at 12.9.
Southjet 227 Atlanta, fuel dump is approved.
Thank you. Not good, not good. Margaret, right there next to my seat. It says manual control. You see it? Yeah. I want you to pull it up, turn it clockwise, push it back down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's okay. Come on. Shit. When I say I want you to retract the flaps, retract the gear, trim us nose down, okay? But everything's gonna be opposite, so make sure you trim us nose down.
Hey, turn down. What are you gonna do?
Margaret, when I tell you I want you to push these forward, full power, full throttle, can you do that? Yeah. Okay, when I tell
Wait,
you,
wait, sir. What are we doing? Why would I trim down?
we're gonna roll it, okay?
What do you mean roll
We
it?
gotta do something to stop this dive. Margaret, what's your son's name?
Trevor.
Say I love you, Trevor.
What?
Black box, say I love you, Trevor.
I love you, Trevor. You be a good boy. Mommy loves you.
Okay, here we go. I've got control.
Oh, Lord Jesus!
All right, Evans, flaps.
Flat!
Speed brakes.
Speed brake! maintain altitude like this.
Southjet 227, Atlanta Center. I see your position 4.5 miles southeast of the airport at 1,800. Are you okay?
Atlanta Center, this is Southjet 227. We are inverted. I repeat, we are inverted.
Southjet 227, did you say inverted?
We're losing oil pressure, pump failure, both engines. We're all right, we're flying. Fire the left engine. Put it out. I'm ready. Look at me, I'm ready. Okay? Atlanta, Southjet 227. Where's that airport?
227, it's 1 o'clock, 3 miles.
All right, we're not gonna make that. Our engines are burning up.
I see a field and a road ahead of us. We're gonna set it down there.
Roger, 227.
Oh no, fire the right now! Evan, we're coming back around. Margaret, I wanted you to hit full power, full throttle, you understand? Here we go.
Evans, speed brakes.
Speed brakes! Flaps full? Flaps full!
Southjet 227, I see you descending through 1,000. You concur?
Margaret, full power. We lost the left engine.
Let it roll.
We're losing power on the right. We lost our power. Are we gliding?
Too low terrain. Too low
Glide.
terrain.
Pitch for glide.
Too low terrain. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
Brace.
10. Minimum.
Brace for impact.
Minimum.